get familiar. So if you don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ali Irfan. Here I will describe about the leg part of my motorbike. This is my motorbike, Jupiter Z, but the name is Juminten. First, I will explain about the legs that are similar of the eyes of an owl. The color of the leg is actually yellow, but here I have changed it to red. Next, tear. There is my motorbike. It can be seen here that the tire I just changed so it still looks. Not only the front but also the back is replaced. Next, the steel. The seat of the motorbike. Don't look at it from the viewer like this. There are many seats that have been sitting here. Next, recognize. Recognize is my motorbike. No, I need to turn it on because I am afraid that when you hear the sound you become baper. Thank you. Don't forget to be happy today. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Senyuman terlukis di wajahku di saat ku mengingatkanmu. Tawamu menjamu membuatku rindu tak sabar.